Hey everyone, welcome back to my Python tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to implement bubble sorting algorithm in Python. Before starting, please be sure to drop a like on this video, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So, without any further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. Bubble sort is the simplest sorting algorithm that works by repeatedly swapping the adjacent elements if they are in wrong order. Let's start to code. Open your IDE. Then you are good to follow along. We will start by defining a function. I will call it sort. It will take an array, or a list, as an argument. Now, we will use a for loop to iterate through the numbers in the array by their index positions. Here, I am subtracting 1 from the length of array to avoid the index out of range error. Now, we will use an if condition to check whether the adjacent element is greater or smaller. If the adjacent element is smaller than its predecessor, then we'll swap their places. We will print the sorted array to compare it with the original. Let's test this function. First, we need to declare an array containing the numbers outside the function. Let's print this array to compare it with result. Let's call the function, save the program, and run it. As you can see, it sorted all the adjacent elements, but it ran through the elements only once. As a result, the later elements remain unsorted. To fix this, we need another for loop to reiterate through the elements. We will nest this for loop inside the previous one, so it will repeatedly sort the array. We will use the same range from the previous loop, but we will subtract I from it, since last I elements are already sorted. Now, we will replace I with j in the if and then block. So, our program is ready. Let's test it. As you can see, it is working as expected. Now, I will rerun this program, but with multiple occurrences of same value in the array. Yep, it is working fine. You can also use try except block to raise an exception when a non-numeric value is present in the array. So that's all for today. Hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. Please be sure to drop a like on this video, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. So, I will see you next time.